focus, focus! Timing, timing! Ah!
Out! 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 Out!
Nagre-record ba? Nakabasa mo?
Oh, foul! Rebound!
Napaw nila.
1, 4, 6. Foul!
Sige. Focus, focus, go!
Rebound!
Sige. Nice, foul! Foul! Sige, foul! Attack, foul! Attack!
2012 Mindanao New Face of the Year Taekwondo Championship list of medalists for our Summer Novice Division. Grade School Girls, Category 1, Gold. First place, we have Crystal Colleen Buhay of City of Maine. Second place, we have Bianca Marita of Fit and Well. Third place, we have Jennifer Fernandez of Fit and Well. And Helda T. Rimanon of Muscleville. Category 2, first place, we have Jenica Celeste Evangelio of Fit and Well. Second place, Belmore Guzman of Fit and Well. And third place, we have Catherine Rivera, also of Fit and Well. For category 3, first place, we have Charmaine Montilla of City of Maine. Second place, Riley Quinio of Muscleville. And third place, we have Macaela Marie Valbuena of City of Maine and Renee Denise Rimando of Muscleville. For grade school boys, Summer Novice, category 008, first place, we have Makapunjat Ray of Kingsville. Second place, Winchester de la Vega of Iligan. And third place, we have Balaba Paul of City of Maine. And